Hey guys, it's Ariel and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, this is gonna be like, oh my god, my goddamn floor is a little squeaky upstairs. But as you can see from the title, we're gonna be moving to California and I'm super excited and super scared all at the same time. So today the lighting might be shifting. So I'm gonna run down these stairs, sweetie. So we had an open house today, and we had about 6 families visit our house today, so that's a good start. So we just gotta get this house on the market and then we can make the move to California. I'm very, very excited and nervous and relaxed and I'm ready to party. But yeah, so I thought, you know, since the house looks really nice from the open house, I would give you guys like our little house tour of like what we're gonna be leaving, because you know this is gonna be a couple part series. So I figured, why not show what we are leaving behind, you know what I mean? It's kind of dark out, I should have done this during the day. So this is our living room that we currently have. She's real pretty, I think. Miss Chastity, aka Ricardo, and I decorated the entire house ourselves. I love this frickin' sparkly pillow. There she is. But yeah, this is our living room, which leads into our bedroom. And this is where the magic happens, you know what I mean? It's so crazy filming all this and talking about how we are leaving, because I'm scared to death of a big move. Oh, hold on. Here's the bathroom. Ah! Got lots of towels, because I'm a dirty bitch. I just upgraded my iPhone today, and okay, so it's got 40 minutes left on that. That's why I figured it would be a prime time to film this video. This is like a pretty big move, so I'm pretty terrified. Then you got some closet space up in this gig. This is just all of our boy clothes and bullshit like that. All of our sneakers. And then coming through the living room, we have our guest bathroom. Woo! So this is our bathroom. And then coming out of here, we have the kitchen. Oh my god, it looks so nice and clean. It never looks like this. This is our work studio where we get all of our her stuff done. Now, like I said, it's kind of terrifying making a change this big because I've always lived over on the East Coast my entire life. So moving over to the West Coast is gonna be pretty terrifying, but I think we can do it. So let's go ahead and visit the upstairs, which is our drag studios. This is my drag room, ta-da! It's real fucking gay. Got some costumes hanging. I got my, I kind of had to clean up my makeup counter we just unpacked from LA, but yeah, we got just lots of stuff going on here. Here's my other closet. In there, we got some shoes. I love this painting somebody did for me, so I always keep that in here. Pretty sure I've given you guys a little tour of my drag room. So let's go see Miss Chastity's. All right, so this is Chastity's personal get ready room and our sewing little area as well. So yeah, that was basically just the tour of our house. I hope you guys liked seeing it, and that's what we're gonna be leaving behind. So I'm very sad, but it's definitely gonna be a new chapter for us to start. We're gonna have another video coming to this series soon, preparing more for the move. And as always,
Coffee!
Coffee! Coffee! Coffee! I was just telling them, sitting on the chair, I was just telling them about our move. So,
we're moving.
What's one thing that you're looking forward to and one thing you're scared of?
Scared of the police. We're gonna not see them.
I didn't even think about that.
The police!
We have to leave behind our dogs.
Yes, and
which is terrifying and sad.
looking forward, opportunities.
That's what I think that's definitely what I'm looking forward to most is, yeah, just a change of scene and more opportunities for us out there. But I think that what I'm afraid of is just because it is a new drag scene in general, just a new area. Him and I, no matter what, have 2 shows a month down here. It's like our show that we do, and I'm nervous because we're stepping to a whole new scene where we have nothing.
Right,
so we're gonna have to kind of insert ourselves into an area, like right around here there's nothing, and we're inserting ourselves into an area that's like already really saturated, so
and established.
Yeah.
So like with like a lot of queens that have been doing it for a long time, so we have to like be careful with how we approach things.
So
like,
watch your mouth.
We gotta watch our mouth and not sound too, like, I don't know. We don't want to be too aggressive.
Right.
Yeah.
All right, well, there you have it. So soon we will have part 2. I love you guys, and this time for real. Yes.